Welcome to my YouTube channel Screen Print. Today we will discuss 5 easy ways to make money offline from local business. No technical skills needed, no SEO work involved, no setup autoresponder. I will discuss about the different type of services that they can offer offline local businesses that do not involve your typically SEO services or setting up autoresponder. This will show different 5 methods, simple methods that can use to make money from local offline business. Simple method number one. One simple thing you can do is offer article marketing services to a local business. You can explain to them the benefits of article marketing, such as the traffic it can potentially bring their website, the leads it could generate for them, the SEO benefits of having back links from article, etc. If you're an article writer, you can might the getting anywhere from $1.5 to $17 per article online, but most freelancers get about $3 to $7 per article on average. So simple method number two. Another method of making some easy money in the offline local business world is to offer blog creation services to local businesses. A blog is super simple and free to create. You don't need have to any technical knowledge whatever. I recommend using Blogger because they are owned by Google, so you know that it will rank nicely on Google search engine. You can actually log in your using your existing Google account. If you have a Gmail account or any Google account, it's the same username and password as your Gmail, or you can create an account for free. Make sure you create the domain name of the blog to be the name of your client's business. Simple method number three. The third method of making easy cash from offline businesses to offer MySpace, Facebook page creation service. Every big name business nowadays has a MySpace page or a Facebook page, which is a great selling point for this service. Once you explain the benefits of social networking building, granted, a lot of businesses might already have one or they know how to set it up, but many will not. There are the ones you must find and then offer to create one for them. Some businesses might have a MySpace page but not a Facebook page, or vice versa. Some businesses might need you to pimp their MySpace page. Simple method number four. This method involves a little bit more work but not much. Many businesses could benefit greatly from having Craigslist ads posted for them once a week or once a day even. Craigslist gets over 10 million visitors a day. This can obviously be a great selling point for the service. Once a business owner hears that and confirm it, you will be able to charge them for this service with no problem. You can package together different options such as 5 Craigslist ads per week per $XX or 1 month of Craigslist advertising. I think $10 per ad is fair for offline businesses considering they pay the yellow pages and other advertising companies much more money. If you do 5 a week for them, that's $50 a week, which comes out to $200 per month. from just one client. It should only take about 5 minutes. Simple method number 5. Last but not least, we are going to discuss a method that makes some people a lot of money. I know a guy who managed the PPC advertisement campaigns for a big name security company and makes serious money. We are talking 5-figure month. Of course, we are not going after that just yet. However, there is plenty of easy money to be made in the getting up of a business PPC campaign. I'm sure many of you who are reading this PPC advertising for at one time or another. If you don't have, all you have to do is set up a free account and Google AdWords by free. So this was our video about 5 easy step ways to make money offline from local business. If you like my video, please like and share with your friends and subscribe my channel Screen Print.